haven't you run into the people who've decided that they're going to solve their medical problems using Google?
Yes.
They type in their symptoms, they hit enter, and it says bubonic plague.
Right.
You can't do that with technology.
No,
you can't do it with networking.
You can't. I don't think, unless you really know what you're doing, I don't think you should DIY your network.
What do you tell people they should do?
I tell them to call somebody they trust, right? If you have an issue, a true issue, and you have to go to the doctor, you call somebody you trust. You call somebody you know. That doesn't have to be us. It doesn't have to be a company down the street. It doesn't have to be the first company that shows up on Google.
I'd prefer that.
I mean, I'd prefer it to be us. I'd love that. But it should be somebody that you trust. It should be somebody that you know knows IT, preferably loves IT. Preferably it's a passion for them. They should be passionate about what they do. And somebody that really knows how to do it and you trust them at a personal level, not just at a business, they have good reviews.
Yeah, if you're the business decision maker and you're leading the company and your technology doesn't work, whether you'd like to say it or hear it or not, you got to come to truth with the terms that you're not doing for your customers what you promised you were going to do. You said,
Yep.
Call us if you need us. We'll be here. Well, if you can't access the information, why did they call you? You can't help them.
Right.
The technology's got to work for you to be able to do what you said your customers are going to get from you.
I think it's the same thing for your employees. You're doing your employees a disservice. You told them you're going to give them a place where they can work, they can be productive, where they can earn money for their family.
They can make a difference.
They can make a difference, right? They're part of something working, and if the network's down, everybody gets emotional about it, everybody gets upset, and more often than not, they just go home.
I mean, there's a reason we have license requirements for contractors, and before people buy and build their homes, they ask other people's opinions, and they do their online homework.
Right.
You got to do that with technology, because if your technology
Oh my
doesn't
gosh,
work,
yes. Oh my gosh. Yes.
it's crazy.
Right. It's kind of like your house. Do you ever just build your own house? Somebody tells you, "Oh, you're buying a house." Yeah. Are you building yourself? No. Your network should be the same way. Unless you really know, unless you're an architect and you own a home building company, you're not building your house. Shouldn't be building your own network.
You know, we fight and combat against the Best Buys of the world, saying, "Here's everything you need to have a network."
Right.
Well, you don't hear of those companies emerging and turning into Fortune 500s or companies with even 50 employees, because that sort of thinking doesn't work. If you're a mom and a pop, Best Buy can work for you. But if you have any intentions of growing and being safe,
And being
you can't do
secure.
that.